Modern IoT deployments generate massive volumes of data, but to unlock real-time insights and Industry 4.0 performance, that data needs powerful local processing at the edge. Introducing the LLM-1U-RPL series, the latest edge AI server purpose-built to streamline on-prem LLM and Gen AI. Engineered in a slim, short-depth 1U form factor, this rugged server is ideal for space-constrained environments. Configured with a 13th Gen Intel Core E processor and DDR4 memory, it delivers real-time processing performance for mission-critical insights. Built for versatility with PCIe Gen 4 expansion, the Edge server accelerates on-prem LLM and Gen AI with workstation-class GPUs. It can also integrate high-throughput network interface cards or other add-ons for custom industrial deployments. For workloads that rely on rapid data logging and local storage, the Edge server supports NVMe through the onboard M.2 slot, along with dual hot-swappable SATA SSD bays for accessible high-volume storage. To accommodate and connect all kinds of IoT sensors and devices, it features a comprehensive set of I/O with high-speed LAN, USB and COM ports. Designed for 24/7 uptime, it includes hot-swappable smart fans for simple field maintenance and redundant power supplies to ensure uninterrupted operation. With security becoming a top priority in edge deployments, this server offers layered protection with a front-locking bezel, intrusion detection switch, and built-in TPM 2.0 for hardware-level encryption. Run Gen AI locally with real-time LLM inference for models like Llama, Gemini, and DeepSeek, supporting up to 40 billion parameters. The server has also been validated under stringent certifications, while manufactured in an IEC 62443-4-1 certified facility for cybersecurity in industrial automation. Purpose-built for Industry 4.0, this Edge AI server delivers secure on-prem AI to power next-gen operations without cloud dependency. Transform your edge infrastructure with the LLM-1U-RPL series, designed to process LLM AI workloads on premises, engineered for reliability and built for 24/7 operational reliability at the edge.